Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Tumblr. You will go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Tumblr and you will enter. Here you can click on Forcestop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.